After Hurricane Ida, many people returned home to find not only their homes destroyed, but irreplaceable keepsakes damaged.
We all remember that from Katrina too, but there is one group of professionals now that's come together to restore their precious memories. Photojournalist Adam Kopis shows us how.
Doug, would you mind grabbing that cube level?
16 by 20.
Well, let's use the smaller easel.
Anytime there's writing on the back, what I call granny notes, shoot that as well.
Today, we are trying to save people's pictures. We're having people bring in their damaged photographs.
You could spend a few hours just, looking at all these memories. So a lot of these, they're all stuck together.
If you've got a bunch of color pictures in an envelope and it all got wet, they're all going to stick together and there's not a lot we can do.
Most of these are damaged, but you peel this back and there's one that can be restored. You notice you dig towards the bottom. These are probably from the 60s or 70s.
We took it out the frame because that was molding. It was the windows that blew out in the back, and then we had the water remediation and mold. And everything in those 2 bedrooms, which is where some of these pictures were, everything got lost. We had already thrown out a bunch that, we had no idea they were going to restore. And we're like,
Holly?
That's me. 36 years ago, that was me.
Well, this is amazing that we were able to save some of these. When we get the box of pictures, it's like they're sharing their personal, intimate life with you by handing this box with, wedding photos, baby photos, great-grandparents, and, if we can save that, it's huge.
They mean the world to me, the only ones I had of those pictures. They're memories, and for me, happy memories.
I think for a lot of people, this gives them hope. Like, this is much more, personal and, just as important as that roof to have these family documents.
Some of the other stuff is just stuff. I can replace it, a new bed, a new sofa, new, anything else. But pictures are all I have of the past.
And that was Adam Kopis reporting. Operation Photo Rescue will be back at the Kid Ory House in La Place this Saturday from 1 to 6.